Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. All right, so in this video, I'm just gonna try and do something different composition wise. I'm just gonna try and stay away from things that I usually do. It's not always that easy, but that's my intention anyhow. For this painting, I chose to work with two complementary colors. And for those of you who aren't that familiar with what a complementary color is, a complementary set is one of the 7 different color schemes that there is. And you can find them opposite from each other on the color wheel. So in this case, I'm using red and green. And as you can see, they are directly across from each other on the color wheel. So these colors work really well together and they will instantly lift your art if you start using them. All right, I'm just gonna put on some music and I'll be popping back in to explain more about my process during the video. So I started out with those 5 oval shapes there and I wasn't really feeling them. So I decided to come in with some darker values in green just to give the painting more contrast, I guess. So at this point, I've kind of decided that I want the dark color to stretch from one side of the painting all the way over to the other side of the painting. There is a lot that I like in this composition, but I don't think it would be something that I would try to recreate or do again on canvas. I don't know, it's just not, I'm not really feeling it. I don't know how to put it. Maybe it's just not me. I love the colors and I love the texture and I love some of the marks that I've made. So there's a lot of stuff that I really like here, but the composition is just not, I don't know how to put it. Maybe it's just not exciting enough, maybe. Guys, this one seems to be coming to an end, so I hope you enjoyed watching and that maybe you learned something along the way too. All right, I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.